Hey yo, what's up everybody? This is your Niranjan Iyengar aka God's Demon, and we are out here in a small park in a place called BTM Second Stage at Bangalore. And what I want to say is, guys, this vlog I'm making is constituting under the Park Diaries what I'm gonna create. And one thing I just want to tell you guys, this video is created just for the sake that you should know that happiness can be found in smallest and smallest of place, in smallest and smallest of things. No doubt it's not that kind of a popular park, but I can only say that in this kind of populous and heavily polluted city, you can find a little bit of coolness and calmness in this kind of park. So come guys, let me show you the view of this beautiful naturing surrounding. See guys, as you can see, there are two peacock idols situated in this park, which symbolizes peace. You might be knowing that peacock is a beautiful creature and it's symbol of beauty. So as this park, guys, along with this beautiful section, there is a section of lighting illumination here at the place, just like swimming pool. It's been made and the illuminations have been placed here. So these illuminations will be active at the night time. So by my next vlog, I might be showing this place to you. So no worries guys. So here the people will enjoy the night illumination and have a good and perfect atmosphere here. And along with that, there is a centroid place here. Here people and couples can click their selfies together here and create a good image on their Insta and Facebook. So this place is really good guys. And along with that, this is a peaceful serene garden where couples can enjoy with each other, and even old people can sit and relax for a while out of their stressful Bangalore life. So this is that place guys. So this entire thing constitutes one section of this park. So come guys, let me take you towards the park section where the ground for small kids and adults have been situated. So follow me. As you can see folks, this is the second section of this wonderful park, and here small kids are enjoying along with adults. So they might be enjoying out of their rough schedule and school schedule and this work from home and heavy stress and studies. So as you can see, the adults are playing badminton there, parallelly enjoying with small kids, and even people are walking over here and being seated in a peaceful attire. So this is a wonderful place of the park guys, and this is the second most important section of the park where you get only one thought and one knowledge. What you get out of this place is whatever trouble you might be having guys, and whatever COVID trouble you might be going through, you can find peace and you can find enjoyment even in this small place guys. So just chill out and be peaceful and be happy even in worst and worst situation of your life. So guys, this is a rare view of the playing field what I just showed you, and as you can see, there's a small gym-like mechanism here where you can just spend some time working out, and a small in light level, and it's especially made for middle-aged guys and old people. So you guys need to focus on gym. Along with this, you need not find the easy way but what I'm showing here. So along with this, there's a badminton tournament going on guys, what you can see behind there. Okay, so this is really an excellent place guys, and what I want to say is that whenever you come to Bangalore, just try out this park for some peacefulness in your life. And this park's name is BTM Second Stage Park, Bangalore, and I recommend personally that you must visit this place for some chilling and having a great time for a few moments. So chill out guys, peace out until I see you in my next vlog. Bye, take care, happy ending.